Have you ever any kind of experience and you also have talked with native speakers? Like I'm not talking about the on the virtual platform. I'm talking about the face to face, like in the real or offline.
Like, I have not talked to native speakers, but yeah, like when you move to South, there is absolutely feels like you have come to another country when you find people around you speaking absolutely different from you. So I went to South, like I went to Kerala, and there I was like, I think I should switch to another language because everyone was like, you are going to them. I need to think, what I need to speak now.
Exactly.
Then I was like, yeah, you need to just talk to them in English only because you cannot interpret and they cannot interpret your language and there will not be any communication. I had like a bit difficulty with those who were from like those who just knew about native language. And when it comes to people talking to people, yeah, once when I was on that trip only, I had a talk with a lady. She was from this uh, child or something like that, a country name. I could not recall right now. So she had a wonderful words she shared. So it was a waterfall there, and we went to just for sightseeing and for visiting that place. And there we found her. I even had a pic with her, like that, as we do, like having a pic with them. But more than photogenic, I try to grab people. I try so that I can talk more and more to them. Even I
Yeah, yeah,
have very few photos with my friends, but I have a moment. I have shared a life with them.
that's good. So where do you live actually in UP? Could you please tell me about your place if you are comfortable?
Yeah, I can tell, but you cannot relate to it because it's no one
Okay,
knows.
okay, okay. So okay, don't tell because there is recording is starting,
Like,
so don't tell to me.
yeah,
Don't tell right now. Yeah, it is okay. Actually,
from this
why I'm
place,
asking to
I am
you?
around 50, 60 kilometers from Delhi.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah,
That's cool. So definitely, I would say that definitely I will like I will call you at my home whenever you will come at Delhi, and definitely
sure.
one day we will go together at the Red Fort, and we both talk to each other, and we both conversation with the phone as well. That's what I'm asking to you.
That's amazing. I would say that will be a most beautiful moment of my life. To meet someone
Yeah.
from virtual platform, first of all, that is amazing, I would say.
To speak with her only and only in Hindi because I was unable to speak in English. But right now I can speak. So right now, like whenever she calling to me and I just call to her, like due to any kind of purpose, so I just talk with her in English. And she's so much admired to me, so much admired to me.
Yeah,
Richa, you are like that, and I cannot imaginations, and you are really doing great. And she knows very well that what kind of mistakes I just do it. And you know what she says always like that only, that Richa, that I also want to learn many things by you. She says like this, she like she always prays to me.
yeah. This is like the most beautiful part of our life, like of this journey. When you start hearing people that yeah, you are doing good, you are speaking so well. Like as I told in earlier part that my friend said that it's not possible at this time and in this place. It's not at all possible. So after all this long journey,
And you also thinking to help to another. So there is two benefits for you yourself, that you also are teaching to them and they also motivating to you that Sarika, oh my God, you are doing really great job, and
yeah,
because of you, that we also have gotten a platform to learn English communications, right?
yeah, that makes feel proud of ourselves that we are joining with others. and they are
Exactly.
really getting benefited from our efforts.
Absolutely.
They will never
Exactly.
get back to you because they had a lot of hopes in you. After that,
Exactly. Exactly.
around 6 months back, English was not so good, but still I was like, okay, I don't have much knowledge, but still I am here to lead, so just try to cooperate. And I would say that those people also cooperated with me, and with
Yeah,
that,
yeah, that's
we all grew together.
wow, that's really, really great, really great. And actually, I just say after listening to you that there is a actually reflect. We also can say power of consistency
Yeah,
because you also, you also did you also did work with them. You also just try to learn yourself. You also try to motivate all of you, and you also did all efforts. I can say with consistency, and that's why people also together with you, right?
yeah. Like when I started, I never took for 3 4 months. I didn't even took off on Sundays. I was like, whatever it is, session is to be conducted. Otherwise, they will lose interest in these sessions
Exactly.
and all. Yeah, and
Absolutely. Absolutely.
it worked.
Of course, it should be, actually, it should be.
Yeah,
When we also like do by heart, and definitely in the beginning of time, it is really very hard to gain, motivations. It's really very hard to think, oh my God, we are doing right or wrong, but we are
yeah,
doing actually. So it is very, very hard. But yeah, one day definitely everyone can be successful and
like
everyone can connect the
yeah.
network as well. Yeah.
For 10 15 days, I conducted, and one of the person was like, I don't know why the person said that you don't know much about these things. You should quit these things. I was like, why should I quit? You take it over if you cannot. Like, if you don't
Okay.
want me to take it. So the person was like, why should I take it? And you should also quit this. Because
Okay.
everyone can only accept the old host. You are new face, even as a participant. So you just
Exactly.
wait and watch, yeah. Like, let's enjoy the journey. Whether I fail or whether I got successful doesn't matter. So
Exactly.
fortunately, the person is like, now the person said that you did it, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's why, that's why we are considered to the people's only one thing.
One more
Just
thing, like, don't
before,
get, don't try to avoid negative comments. That is like, that's
exactly,
helping us. We just try to ruin our mood with those negative comments. Oh, I gave such a speech, and these people are saying this was wrong, that was wrong. I don't want to continue. So just work on that negative points. If someone is giving you negative feedback, just say thanks to the person because that person is really interested in you and how you speak. The person is
exactly.
really in having an intention for you to grow.
Absolutely, you're saying right. Actually, yeah, of course, I agree with you. And in the beginning of time, when you just start anything, if you're just trying to judge yourself, definitely that person can never do any kind of thing. Because that person's, why people also judging? Because you just thought that we can do or not. This is the main of questions. Before the judging, if that person is any person, if any person trying to judge their self, so there is a question is in the mind that we should be successful or not. We can do or not. Like we can do, it is enough. But if like, but the judging, but the but the judging, symbol that of course not is automatically included too, right? So when you just think that you not, definitely you can never do that. You can never actually. But you will think, okay, it is okay. If in a beginning of time I'm not doing really very great, so it is okay. But I just try to give the chance to myself. If you will give the chance, definitely you can do that. Otherwise, you cannot think. Before doing any action, and if you are trying to judge yourself or anyone, it is not a good thing. It is really, really bad and bizarre thing. You cannot be successful.
Yeah, right. Exactly. I just agree with this terms of yours.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Like today, not today, but a lot of people also saying to me that a lot of people so much praising to me. It's really, really honest. Like a lot of people, I don't know who's those. Seriously, I don't know. But they also sending to me audio clip, ma'am, you are really doing great. You are like that because of you. That I can think that I also can speak one day like you. And Missy, they are also saying to me that like you. Oh my God, seriously, I am so happy. Like because of that audio clip, that messages, I'm so much happy. But on another hand, if I will think about the you know bad people, so like they also like they do not say to me personally, and I don't know I don't know who's that person. But the some people also sending to me message like directly on the comment on the like YouTube. And why you are like running your YouTube channel? You don't have rights to run your YouTube channel because you just see and you like no one have desire to listen you. A lot of like miss 2 or 3 people like I don't know what's the idea and I they like so much kicking to me. And you just see about your speaking, you just see about your fluency, you just see about that how much you are bad at grammar,
Yeah.
and they say it directly on the comment box, and I just shocked, oh my god, what's happening? And I said, and they think that I just drove this journey. And I just and you know what happened when I just got this type of message, and suddenly I just ready to myself, and I just set up and I just start that video just because of I cannot think about those people because they don't know that I just started my journey recently, right? Because before my English journey, I was not like I was unable to speak even single word. 2 or 3, only two IDs. I just got the message. It's really very bad, really bizarre message when I just got it, and I just thought in my mind only that how a lot of people subscribe me, how a lot of people also like praising me on the Telegram, on the Clubhouse, on the WhatsApp group, everywhere. When I just go, and a lot of people also so much praising me. So how is it possible? Because actually somehow I just doing something is right, and I
Yeah.
also actually giving the motivation to them. So yeah, of course I just thought okay, it is okay. Yeah, you if you are saying only 1 or 2, so I will not accept that thing. Yeah, of course I just know that I'm not good at grammar, I'm not good at speaking. But if you will say that I cannot do that, and I'm a lady like that, so definitely I will not stop doing that. I will do again and again, till then when you will give me this type of comment.
Yeah, that is amazing. Like depends upon how we takes up these things. Some people are there, some they quit these things. They could have done really well. I would just say that ignore everything and just continue. Because knowingly and unknowingly we help a lot of people.
Absolutely. Absolutely. We are taking help or we are giving help as well.
And you will meet a lot of people as such. I have met, they were really very arrogant sometimes. They even said me on the face that you are really very rude and we don't want to come to your session anywhere. I will not join you anyway.
Oh my
And
gosh.
later on, now they are the part of my group itself.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's happened. It's happened. My room on the clubhouse. And I really enjoyed there. I really enjoyed on the clubhouse. So what happened? That I'm just noticing before couple of months when I just held my meeting, and I just noticing that a lot of ideas entered into my meeting, but they do not speak. They never prefer to speak in the meeting, but they are really very good at English, really good at English speaking, which I observed by the audio clip. Okay. And I said, if you will not speak, I will not hold the meeting. And if you are thinking that I will not hold the meeting, so think about that. Because of you, a lot of people cannot continue the practice as well. So just try to speak, and you can do that. And I just try to motivate a lot of efforts on you, sorry, on them, a lot of like just trying really hardly from my side. And I just making a lot of excuses how to say, and you just try to speak. And
Yeah.
when they start only one first time of speech on the Google Meet, second day they are really rocking, Really
Yeah,
rocking.
that ignition is required. Yeah, like I am also experiencing these things as you said. People will join, they will not speak. They will be like, even if they are forced that you have to speak. Otherwise, like, how will you improve? They're like, no, no, we will
Exactly.
start from tomorrow. So I just do one thing. I try, like, I come to my lower levels. Let's do it. First, they will get comfortable at their own level with me. While
Exactly.
speak, okay, this, that, and all that, I can speak that.
In 2012, I think, in 2012, I think, 2012 or maybe 2015 and 16, I didn't remember about the year. But when I just listened to Muniba Mazari first time in my life on the YouTube, really, I didn't know what is a YouTube. Seriously, to be honest, I don't know like how to search on the YouTube. How can I connect with the YouTube? How can I search? I didn't any kind of knowledge to use a smartphone as well. But when I just listened to Muniba Mazari, seriously, after her speech, my life actually, my thinking completely changed. And I just decided that one day I will be successful. If that lady can suffer, and after the suffering, a lot of things, that lady can do everything. Why can I not do that? Just because
Yeah,
of her, I am here.
really, like, I would say that is definitely true.
Exactly. Exactly. Okay. So it's really too long.
No, it's okay.
But I really enjoyed with you. I really enjoyed with you. One second, I just stop the recording and